comes the sun, do-do-do-do. Here comes the sun, I say, it's alright, do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Creativity Castle. We are all decorated for the springtime. I would like to take a moment and thank all of our subscribers. If you're not a subscriber, please like us and subscribe today.
It's time again to be creative!
Today, we are going to do another follow along drawing. And all you need is a piece of paper and a marker.
Woohoo!
Once we're finished, you can go to our website and download this drawing and color it in. Register today. So if you're ready, let's begin.
Let's be
And
creative!
as always, you can try to guess what I am drawing. We will begin by drawing an oval shape like this. And then we'll draw two smaller ovals, and these will be the creature's eyes. And these eyes will be drawn to look like they are open, with the small little black pupils. And as always, I like to leave a little white area as a highlight. And then we will draw a simple smile on this creature. Next, we will draw the creature's body. This creature has been transformed from once it was a small little caterpillar. Perhaps now I've given you a hint. We will add little rings to this creature's body. It looks like a striped pattern. Notice that some of the stripes are thicker or wider than the others. And next, we will give this creature two wavy wings. By now, you've guessed that this creature is a flying creature. It could be a moth, or maybe a butterfly. Let's see. For now, we will give our little flying creature two little antennae, like this, with little curls on the end. And why don't we make this little creature a female creature with the little eyelashes? And now we will make some creative designs on the wings of this creature. I bet you've guessed it now. This is a butterfly. Here we can use our imagination and artistic skills to draw all sorts of creative patterns and shapes on the wings of the butterfly. Oh, it's so fun to design a butterfly's wings. Do 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 do. Let's add a swirl shape on each of the butterfly's wings.
After you color in your drawing, you can go to Sauerpuss and Friends and upload your artwork to the Just for Kids forum to share your creativity.
And how about a couple small little shapes on each side? And we'll continue to add several more shapes to complete the beautiful wings of the butterfly. I can't wait to color in this butterfly. I hope it will be so beautiful. I cannot wait to see some of your colorful butterflies. I sure hope you will share them on our Share Your Creativity section of our website. And here we have our creative little butterfly. If you'd like to download and color in this drawing, or if you'd like to have access to all the free content in the activities section on Sourpuss and Friends, all you have to do is sign up and register. Register today. Let's take a look at how I've colored the butterfly. For this illustration, I used Adobe Photoshop to color in this butterfly. With Photoshop, I could easily explore all sorts of color combinations until I found just the right colors.
Oh boy, what fun!
Thank you for joining this follow along. See you next time, and remember
Be
to
creative!